Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Oppo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to on split screen on Oppo phone and how to use it. Friends, you want to on your Oppo phone split screen setting. So my how to on split screen and how to use it. Today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone setting to on split screen setting. After on phone setting friends, click on Oppo phone tools setting. After on tool setting friends, you can see screenshot, navigation, screen recording setting, smart sidebar, and split screen is here. So friends, we'll click on split screen setting, and when your screen split setting is off, so guys first of all on, and guys on your swipe with three finger outside. Come back friends, now on your phone any app. Example guys, I will on Google app, and guys now we will swipe here with three finger and guys screen will split. Second friends, you want to on YouTube app, so you can on YouTube app and you can use it. So with Google app friends, you can on your YouTube app and you can use it. So like that friends, we can on split screen setting friends and we can use it. And friends, you can adjust your screen. You want to increase your YouTube screen, and friends you want to increase your Google screen, so you can increase and you can adjust from here. So we will back friends. Now second guys, now we will try Chrome app. So friends, you can use your Chrome app screen also. So with Chrome app we can use Google app friends. So like that friends, we can on split screen setting and friends we can use it. So it's like that. And guys now we will on phone setting. Friends, you don't want to use, so friends click on tool setting. Friends, split screen setting guys, we will off it. After friends, you cannot use your split screen setting on your Oppo phone device. So bye guys.